start at 0, then jump straight to 2. But what comes next, you know what to do. Keep adding 2, skipping a number each time. And if you get stuck, just remember this rhyme. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We started at 0, then 2 came next, followed by 4 as we jumped 2 steps. 6, 8, 10, we did it all together. Counting in 2's is a skill you'll have forever. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We skipped number 1 and also number 3 when counting in 2. Skipping numbers is the key. 5, 7, 9, we missed about 2, but when counting in 2's, it's what you have to do. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We did it, jumping 2 numbers at a time, whilst learning to count, sing and rhyme. We started at 2 and went right up to 10, but if you need more practice, just start the rap again. Hey everyone, it's Quizzie here down at Quizzie Cottage. If you are enjoying my videos, then please click that like button and click that subscribe button so we can keep making more videos for you and sending them your way. Thanks very much, keep quizzing, and we'll see you back down at Quizzie Cottage for another round of quiz time. See you soon, bye bye.